If you want to install the LinkedIn app on your laptop, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to get LinkedIn installed on Windows using the Microsoft Store, so you can open it faster and access your professional network right from your laptop. This is a simple process, and even if you've never installed an app this way before, you'll be able to follow along step by step. Before we start, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software tutorials just like this. It really supports the channel and helps more people find these guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, click the Start button on your laptop. This is usually in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, type Microsoft Store into the search bar. You should see the Microsoft Store app appear in the results. Click on it to open the store. Now that the Microsoft Store is open, go to the search bar at the top of the window. Type LinkedIn into that search field and press Enter. The store will show you the LinkedIn app in the results. Look for the official LinkedIn app and make sure it's the correct one before you continue. Once you find it, click on the app listing to open its page. From there, you'll see an Install button or Get button, depending on your system. Click that button to start the installation process. Your laptop may take a few moments to download and install the app, so just wait while it finishes. After the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Click Open if you want to launch LinkedIn right away. If you don't open it immediately, you can also find it later in your Start menu by searching for LinkedIn just like before. When the app opens, you can sign in with your LinkedIn account and start using it on your laptop. This makes it easy to check messages, view job postings, update your profile, and stay connected without having to use a web browser every time. And that's it. You've successfully installed the LinkedIn app on your laptop. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now you're ready to use LinkedIn more conveniently on your device. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another app installation or software tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.